Hello everyone! In this video I would like to show you how I'm creating my drawings like this one, but in a little bit bigger format. I can't name them sketches because sketches means that I will transfer it into something exactly drawing like this into something bigger or into some different format. I can't repeat these drawings like this exactly like they are on another surface, because these my drawings are very intuitive, very process based, so I am naming them as just like drawings, ink drawings, intuitive drawings. So let's go. I'm going to draw it on such paper for mixed media, also with these ink liners by Winsor & Newton. The main figure I'm going to draw with this number 1 liner, and some details, maybe tiny things I will add with 0.8. like this. So let's go. So here is the final result. As you can see, all these lines are like wild, like very organic, and my purpose is to draw them like that. While I was just starting to draw in such this my style, I was trying to make all these lines very smooth, accurate, like slow, but then I looked at it from the other side, and I wanted my drawings to be more organic, more intuitive, like you can see how it's not one line drawing. You can see multiple lines here, and they are like touching each other, something like that. So that's my point, and I think that this drawing is complete. Thank you for watching.